Making a macaroni pie, so I'm adding 1 cup of elbow macaroni to my water and allow that to cook. And we'll have 1 egg. I'm gonna beat that. Add in 1 cup of evaporated milk. Actually, 3/4 cup of evaporated milk. Half a cup of 2% milk, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of Maggi, all purpose. I'm going to mix to combine. I'm going to pour off my macaroni. In cold water, adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt, adding half a teaspoon of black pepper, adding 3 teaspoons of butter to my macaroni. I'm going to mix that in until it's melted. So I'm going to layer my macaroni in my baking dish. So I have a layer of macaroni. I'm going to add some cheese, 1 layer of cheese, and I'm using 4 cups of cheddar cheese. So I'm layering my cheese. I'm going to add my remaining macaroni. Going to add some more cheese on top. So I spread my cheese, my layer of cheese, and I'm going to pour my liquid, my milk liquid over. And I'm going to top it off with some paprika. Now I'm going to place it in the oven. I'm going to place it in the oven and bake it on 350 degree for about 1/2 hour to 45 minutes.